Welcome! Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to enable light mode on your Facebook app on PC, especially useful with the new update. If you prefer a brighter, cleaner look instead of the usual dark theme, this quick tutorial will help you switch things up in no time. First, open your Facebook app on your PC. Once it's loaded, navigate to the very top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with several options. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings to access the main configuration area of your Facebook app. Next, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. Click on it. Within Accessibility, look for the option labeled Video and Motion and click to enter this section. Now, you'll see an option called Captions display. Go ahead and enter that, then select text size to customize how captions will appear if needed. But the key step here is beneath this. You'll see Dark Mode. Click on Dark Mode, and here you will find options to toggle the theme. To switch to Light Mode, simply choose Off. This instantly changes your Facebook app's interface from dark to light, giving you that bright and airy feel you may prefer. And that's all there is to it. You can now enjoy browsing Facebook on your PC with a fresh light mode look. It's a simple change but can make a big difference in your visual experience, especially during the daytime, or if you find dark themes hard to look at for long periods. Feel free to explore these settings anytime you want to switch back or adjust how your Facebook app looks. Thanks for watching.